Pops are practicing, the revelers are all out, and Fox 25's Martin Morantz is right in the middle of it all. Hey, Marty.
Hey, Frank, you ready for a 4th of July celebration here in Boston? Well, I am after hearing Neil Diamond rehearse with the Boston Pops. Neil Diamond and the Boston Pops are together this weekend, performing Neil Diamond favorites in preparation for the big 4th of July celebration on the Esplanade Saturday night.
I've said for years, and he's been on our wish list for a while, that he just needed to come and do Sweet Caroline and come into America, and, you know, we could pack up and go home.
Neil Diamond returns to one of his favorite cities where the song Sweet Caroline has become a Boston anthem of sorts.
Sweet Caroline.
It's great to hear Neil in person, yeah. I've been singing it since I was in college, so, and then coming to Boston and singing it at Red Sox games.
We love singing it at Red Sox games, and we love singing it here at the Esplanade.
The concert also features a talented little 10-year-old girl from Canton singing the Pledge of Allegiance.
I don't really know if it's ever been sung at the Esplanade before, so I think they'll like it.
Just the sound check alone attracted a crowd here in Boston and got residents excited for this annual celebration of freedom.
Well, it's become an incredible tradition, not just for Boston, but for the nation.
Saturday night's fireworks will have an old-world Italian flair to the 1812 overture. Now, Neil Diamond will really be playing 2 shows with the Boston Pops. Tonight's warm-up concert at 8:30 and tomorrow's fireworks spectacular also at 8:30. What a way to celebrate Independence Day. We're live in Boston. I'm Martin Morantz, Fox 25 News.